Ira, she's my friend. She's a very kind, generous one. She's very approachable and she has never changed even though a lot of years passed. She's a very nice daughter. She's smart. She's loquacious and giddy. She loves to read books, watch anime. Her favorite is Shinichi Kudo, and she loves K-pop.
Ira, short but studious, very intelligent and industrious. Never fails to maintain a sunny disposition. Uh, Someone who, to some other people, pwedeng i-underestimate pero don't. Kasi she could be wrong. And, masaya lang. Laging masaya. Masaya kasama.
So, I have to describe Ira. Ira is happy, she's joyful. I noticed that she's very thoughtful. She likes giving gifts to people. She's also thoughtful. The first time we met, she gave me a chocolate bar and a letter. And what else? I know she's smart. I know that she's also very pretty.
So yun, si Ira, first time ko lang siya naging klase ng comedy, tapos sa SEM na yun, nagkaroon kami ng friendship, tapos hanggang ngayon naman friends kami. Tapos grabe, wala lang, tawa lang kami ng tawa, sobrang fun niyang kasama. Tapos isa pang bagay na napansin ko kay Ira, small but terrible siya, as in mamaw siya, sobrang talino niya sa lahat. Tapos nire-respect siya ng classmates niya, tsaka ng ibang tao, kasi unang kita mo pa lang sa kanya, i-respect mo kagad siya. Tapos lastly, ito talaga yung pinaka napansin ko pati sa Facebook, is super religious niya, as in, love niya si God.